Hello you all and welcome back to my channel. The ones who are logging in for the first time, thank you very much and welcome to my channel. The ones who are usually my viewers, thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate you logging back into my channel. Thank you for all the love, comments, share, subscription. I really appreciate that. Now this is an overall general prediction for the month of June 2021 for my fellow Sagittarian friends. Okay, so we're going to read out the overall energy, your health, your career, your relationship, what's coming up for you. Now it's a general reading, so take what resonates. If it does not resonate with you, leave it be. Do not try to make it yours. Okay, so the overall energy that I see over here is talking about postponement. There is some sort of postponement that you have been doing for a very long time. So June is the time when you need to stop that postponement. Okay, you need to go ahead and start working on something that you were wanting to work for a very long time. So stop that kind of energy. So that's the energy that you may tap into, but try your best not to. Okay, don't keep looking out of the window. I wish I could have, I should have, I would have. No, go out there and do that. Okay, also it's a number 4. Now in terms of health, it is King of Swords. What a beautiful energy. Use all your muscle power in the month of June. Go hit that gym. Okay, work hard in that gym. Start yoga, do some sort of exercise, like use your muscle power. It's calling upon that for the month of June, especially for those people who've been procrastinating and not taking care of your health. This is your time to go ahead and take care of your health, and the ones who have been doing that, all the best. Okay, continue with that memento. It's a great energy to tap into in the month of June. Now in terms of career, it is the Fool card. Now the Fool is all about new beginning. It's starting from 0, not even 1. So in career, for a lot of you who have been looking for a new project, proposal, job, it's a new beginning for you. Okay, the ones who've not been doing very well financially, just tap into that energy of a new beginning. Leave it, whatever has not worked out right for you, so for so far, just leave it be. Start doing something new in your life that's going to be very prosperous for you and that's going to help you. Those who are looking for promotions, yes, you could get a possible promotion as well. I don't know why I said that, but that just came into my head right away. So I know whoever that person is who's looking for a promotion watching this, it's a possibility you will get a promotion. Okay, and in terms of relationships, you have 6 of Summer. Okay, so it's a possible cup energy or water sign that you may be involved with. It's a possibility, it may not necessarily be. Now 6 of Summer is all about 6 of Cups. It's give and receive. It's like if somebody is displaying their heart out to you, you also need to give that back to the person. Go ahead with a romantic gesture. All right, a lot of you may be receiving some sort of gifts, or you may be giving gifts to somebody else. You may be remembering some sort of events very differently, romantically. Also, you're going to reminiscence the old times that you've had with the partner. You're going to be all in that gloomy, that mood where there's something that's happened in the past, and you're going to be, and if it's a long distance especially, you're going to sit back and reminiscence those moments, those beautiful moments that you've shared with your partner. And for those who are looking for new love, there is new love in horizon. For those who are already in a romantic relationship, there could be a very childlike energy for the month of June. All the tickle and all the love and laughter, that's a possibility. And return the romantic gesture, my friend, my Sagittarian friends. If somebody is displaying their heart out to you, don't just be very egoistic about it and say, oh my god, I'm so like good and this person is just acknowledge that. First thing you could do is acknowledge that, and the second thing is you could do is maybe possibly just tap into that romance, that emotion, for those who've not been doing that all along. Okay, so overall it's a good month to reminiscence what you've been doing so long in terms of love and relationship. Okay, and your angel says don't stop. This is a very strong message for whoever wants to read it, which is from your angels. Don't stop in doing whatever that you are doing for your life. Don't stop. There may be some hurdles that is coming your way that may be slowing you down, but slowing does not mean stopping. Okay, so do not stop. And also from the power of love, we get this message of elevation. Let me read this out for you. You're making the conscious decision in raise your vibration of love. So raise your vibration higher, okay? Think of positive thoughts, think of good thoughts. Elevate your spiritual energy, pray a bit more, elevate your mental energy, elevate your exercise, elevate your physical health as well. So elevation is something that's called upon for. And the overall spirit guides message over here is the pole of Venetian. Okay, it's a very beautiful card. Experiencing grace, open up your heart chakra. You may be tapping into a lot of greenery as well. Open up your heart, okay? Open up to receive love and give love in return. And experience gifts of grace, okay? It's all about that in the month of June for you. Waves of inspiration and love is coming your way. So if it's coming your way, don't block it, okay? Receive it with love, receive it with grace, receive it with honor and honesty. So this is all that I have for you for the month of June 2021, my Sagittarian friends. If you need a personal reading, please feel free to connect with me. Stay away from fakers and scammers, and meanwhile enjoy the free readings that I share all the time. Till we meet again, stay safe. All the best. Goodbye.